Hi there traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which was Thursday the 3rd of November. So, said that we had the Bank of England rate announcement at lunchtime, so all positions should be well managed ahead of that. We had support at 7084 to 7094, with sustained breaks below here seeing us move back to the chop zone, with support at 7022 to 7030. Initial resistance was 7125 to 7133, and with an inventory correction potentially seeing moves back to 7142 to 7150. Acceptance above 7142 to 7150. We had main resistance today at 7203 to 7213. So let's go and have a look at the FTSE today. Okay, so the market opened up here. You can see we've got a really strong push down below that 7084 to 7094 zone, but it was not sustained. We got a very strong push back above the zone, so it was not sustained, and therefore this was a false break pattern. And you can see actually when we came back and retested the bottom of that zone, it held. Unfortunately, there wasn't a reversal here. If this had been like a reversal pattern from outside the Bollinger Band or something like that from there, that would have been a really nice trade to take higher. You can sit there and see as well, we got the initial resistance zone at 7125 to 7133. That worked well here as well, and actually there was a 15-minute reversal pattern on that. You can see here this Bollinger Band reversal pattern there. That was a really nice trade to take back lower. So we had a couple of nice trades there in the morning. When we came back down here, we did hold the bottom of this zone again. Unfortunately, we didn't take any liquidity grabs. There's no real clear reversal patterns there, so nothing high probability there in terms of entry, but it did hold well again. And then we got the inventory correction back up to the 7142, 7150 zone. And again, another nice reversal pattern there, down there. Not too much room in terms of risk reward, but certainly probably just about enough with the size of the candle to be able to take it down into that zone. We then got the sustained break above 7142, 7150, and we then got a nice continuation pattern here above that zone, which has actually in aftermarket hours pretty much taken us up to this 7203 to 7233, 7213 zone. So some really nice trades, really nice opportunities there. Analysis worked an absolute treat today on the FTSE. A couple of nice opportunities as well. Certainly the 15-minute reversal on the initial resistance, and then the close of the inventory gap, and then the continuation. Those were the three best trades of the day, and then also a couple of opportunities. If you could have got something in there as part of your plan, they would have been really nice, but there's just nothing there as per my plan today. So some really great trades there on FTSE. Now let's go and take a look at the DAX. Okay, so this is the DAX today. We said initial resistance was at 13,195 to 13,215, and we said that if we got a sustained break below 13,115 to 13,140, we could see moves initially to 13,050 to 13,070. So let's go and have a look at the DAX today. Okay, so this is the action on the DAX, and in the morning you can see we got the first touch of the initial resistance at 13,195 to 13,215. That rejected. I wanted a liquidity grab of that overnight high. We didn't quite see that, so that wasn't unfortunately it is a reversal pattern, but it wasn't hadn't taken that liquidity, so I was a bit skeptical of that. We then came down and we tested the 13,115 to 140 zone. We did get a liquidity grab with the overnight lows there, but unfortunately it wasn't a reversal for me, so again, nothing really to do. We then chopped around a little bit. We got the acceptance below, and we got the continuation there for the move down into 13,050 to 13,070. We did get this bullish candle here, so if you hadn't quite managed to take your profits on this trade, that is a really big warning sign for potentially pushing higher. We didn't actually see that we actually got the sell-off, but that's just something to be aware of. And then after that, we really just chopped around for most of the day. This zone here, the 13,115 to 140 zone, did actually generally act as resistance, but nothing really clear to be able to trade from. So definitely the best action today on the FTSE. The analysis on the DAX did still hold true, generally speaking, but the FTSE was definitely the one that had the better opportunities and a higher probability setups from the zones today. So I hope you're finding these reports useful. Please come subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join our Keyzone service. It's completely free, and you get to come join our Keyzone Traders community as well. The link to sign up is in the box below on our YouTube channel. I hope you're really profiting from these reports. Please let me know how you're getting on, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.